Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well and I am also good. This is my day 17 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. And this is Nikita and today today I today I tell to all of you I have completed my 75-minute daily routine. First of all, I learned new word, expansion, favorable, insure, obsessive, obsessive, and dominant. This is 5 new word I write and learn in this copy. That is very important for your daily English practice. And second, I read newspaper and listen speaker, good speaker speech. And this is my daily routine and it is very important. And then I am going to share about my daily routine. Let's start. First of all, um, usually wake up at 6 a.m. But on weekend I woke up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Then I prepare my bed. Again I do dusting and cleaning the house and keep things in proper way. Okay. After that, I take. After that, I clean my teeth. I brush my teeth. You also talk. You also can talk this word. Okay. And again, I take a bath and get up, get ready for do some exercise. After that, I do some work and I uh, cook. I cook a healthy breakfast. After then, I have take a breakfast. Then I read newspaper and some do work with my mother. And after that, in the lunch time at 1 p.m. I take a lunch and uh, rest 1 hour. Then after that, I make tea. I make tea and sometime study. Then do do some work. Okay. And in night um, I use mobile and laptop. Then I cook dinner. After dinner I after dinner I record this video and last finally I sleep. That's all. Thank you for watching my video and this is the my daily routine. Thank you.